Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again for another video. So it's currently Sunday, March 22nd, 2025. And we're gonna do a trade recap. I literally just put up trading view. Alright, so a lot of shenanigans this week. Cool. The audio should be a lot better now. Just move this. Alright, put that down. And just put that. Cool. Alright, the audio should be a lot better now. If not, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, so a lot of shenanigans this week, right? Let's see, starting Monday right here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, cool. So let's do a recap of it and silver as well. Yeah. Oh man, you see this beautiful? You see this head and shoulders pattern right here? Look. See this? Beautiful. And I called it too. Look at it. Look at that. Called it, break, retest, continue. Look at it. Head and shoulders, break right here, retest, continue. Man, okay, let's break this down. Replay, let's go to Monday. So, coming to the market on gold on Monday, I was looking to buy because we are bullish. Let me push this back. We're at all-time highs on gold. And silver, we are also pushing to the upside. So guess what? I'm looking to buy coming into the market. So I go to the lower time frame, find me a nice order block to buy from, and then waited for the pullback to it. Obviously, it didn't pull back till later on, to about 8 o'clock. I wasn't on the chart at this time, so I didn't take this trade. The reason you're probably wondering why is this color like orange and yellow or whatever this color, peach. But it's because I was like, okay, what would happen if I put like a buy limit here? So I'll put a buy limit at halfway, put my stop loss a little below, and just price will come here, tap this area, and then take me into the trade and buy it. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna try it out, put it there. I didn't actually put a buy limit. I just put the trade thing here to see how it would play out. And obviously the trade played out beautifully. So I was like, okay, cool. This works. Like buy limits work, right? But then if you go on silver, it shows exactly why it doesn't work. So I don't really trust buy limits because the way I trade, I need the entry signal to take the trade. The entry signal is like everything is there. The whole pizza is there. Now I have all the ingredients for the pizza, right? But I need that tomato sauce. That tomato sauce is like, okay, the glue that puts everything together and that really makes it nice. So trade, order block, pull back to it. Now if it gives me a Morningstar pattern, then I'll take the trade. If it doesn't, no trade. So obviously here, it didn't give a Morningstar pattern on 15-minute, but it did give it on the 30-minute. But then again, I was not on the charts. I'm not on the chart at this time. So I would not have taken this trade. And obviously it came back, if I put a buy limit, I would have won this trade beautifully. But then guess what? If I put a buy limit on silver, I would have lost this trade horrifically. You see? So Monday was like, okay, yeah, buy limits works and we can win. But it also goes against me. Like, look at it. This is a loss that I could avoid on a regular, like if I was actually on the chart, I would avoid this loss. So yeah, I just put this here just to remind myself. And then coming to the market on Tuesday, we're still looking to buy. We're pushing to the upside, pushing. So guess what? I'm looking to buy. Find this beautiful order block, price literally, barely didn't make it. You see this right here? You see this right here? It's not in there, so I can't take this trade. So it hasn't mitigated this order block yet. Actually, the order block does go a little higher right here, but it hasn't touched it. So no single trade. So we let the trade play out, did a bunch of shenanigans and things of that nature. And yeah, didn't pull back to that order block. Anyways, same thing when Tuesday on silver, there was an order block. If you go to a lower time frame, pulled back to it till at 10 o'clock. I'm not on the charts at this time and didn't even give an entry signal and did the shenanigan right here. So we avoided, like, it's just whatever. Coming to the market on Wednesday. Now I'm looking to, I was looking to buy overall. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, I was looking to buy on silver. Actually, no, I was looking to sell on silver. Yeah, okay. Coming to the market, I was looking to sell on silver. But gold, I was looking to buy because we're pushing at all-time highs. But remember, I'm looking to sell on silver. I might be looking to sell on gold too. So gold, keep that in mind. it could pull back to this order block, mitigate it, and then continue to the upside. Or it could do like silver, make an order block, pull back to it, and give an interest in it. So let's go on silver because this is the trade that I actually took on silver. So I was looking to sell on a nice order block right here. Oh, actually, it's better. Oh, if I show it to you on gold. Gold gave a beautiful setup as well. I made a video about it, so go check that out. But anyways, so yeah, gold made a beautiful setup. Let's do the silver one first. So I was looking to buy from here. Obviously, price did not reject this area. Went past it, came up here. Cool. They dash in again right there. Bearish. Okay, cool. Now, I'm putting this here to show you that I did not take this trade. This is one of the trades that I was practicing the buy limits and sell limits. And if I was, like, realistically, if I were to take sell limit, I would have taken it right here. And I would have immediately lost the trade because it would have stopped me out. I'm being honest with you. I would have lost this trade if I take it. But price didn't respect it, pushed up here, made an even stop pattern. If I was on the chart, I would have taken it right here. Wait, this is Wednesday, yeah. So I would have taken it right there and then gotten an easy trade, right? Wait, hold on, let me. Okay, cool, yeah. So I would have taken this trade if I was on the chart realistically and I seen this candle, this pattern, I would have taken this trade for 1 to 2, easy. So I didn't take it on silver. Gold, look at it. Gold pulled back to this order block beautifully. This is like one of those trades that I should have put the sell limit. I really should have. Right, target right here, my stop loss right there. Easy trade. Now, obviously you're like, Mo, where's the interesting though? If you go on the 30-minute, look at it. Beautiful, evening side pattern. I would have taken this trade. Again, if I was on the chart, I would have taken this trade. Stop loss up here. TP probably right here somewhere. And look at that, boom. Easy trade. So I'm like, okay, cool. It is what it is. We missed that trade on Wednesday. So coming to the market on Thursday, I'm like, okay, we'll either be pushing to the upside if it breaks above here, or we'll be looking to sell based on silver. Come back to the charts. Price had this shenanigan right here. And I was looking to sell coming to the market because silver was pushing to the downside. And on a daily, silver shifted bearish. So now I'm looking to sell. So let me show you this trade on silver that we did not take, but we took it on gold. So price was pushing. Found this order block to pull back to it. It barely did not touch it, right? So I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. But if you go on gold, right? Beautiful setup on gold. So price pulled back to this order block, like I was looking to sell. Gave me an evening star pattern right here. Now, realistically, I should have taken the trade right here. Why didn't I take the trade right there? Because I was being lazy and I was in bed. And I'll be honest with you, I was tired, but I still woke up, checked my phone, analyzed real quick, and then I saw this setup present itself. I got up out of bed, got on the charts. By the time I got on the charts, price was pushing down here. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna just take this trade anyways and give an interest in it and whatever. So price was pushing and pushing. Obviously, it broke below here. So I was like, okay, if it breaks below here, it's most likely going to come back and retest here and then continue to the downside. So this was my original TP right here. Let me just show you so it makes more sense. So this was my original TP right here because it would break below here, retest this area. Now, why did I mark this area? Because we have a valid order block right here that has not been mitigated. So it could likely push up from here. But if it was able to break below, then it most likely will retest and then continue to the downside. Obviously, that retest didn't happen. Push the upside. So I was like, okay, cool. When price closed back down here anyways, I had moved my stop loss to break even, a little past break even, so I would make a little bit. And I just let it play out. I didn't really care. I just put the thing at break even and let it play out. And yeah, so it came back, stopped me out right here, and then pushed back. And then obviously, if I was still in this trade, I would have lost because it went past. Right, look at it. Yeah, I would have lost if I was still in this trade. But it is what it is. And then coming into the market on Friday, I was looking to sell. We're pushing to the downside. Found a beautiful order block on the gold. I can't even explain this to you. Like, this hurt a little bit. Silver, right? I was looking to sell on gold and silver. Obviously, price didn't respect this order block. So I'm like, okay, cool. Price is pushing the upside. Now I got to be careful because gold is having this retracement here. Gold pushed back. Now, all I needed was an evening star pattern. But if you go on 30-minute, I don't get that evening star pattern. But good thing I didn't take this trade out of impulse because I wanted to take a trade. You know, I actually stayed patient, right? I stayed disciplined. I followed my trading rules. So if I had taken this trade, I would have put this right here. Stop loss probably above there. And still targeting this order block right here that still needs to get mitigated. The one from Monday still needs to get mitigated. So that would be my target, right? Cool. So I did not take this trade. Why? Because look at this shenanigan that the market did. So I would have gotten stopped out because market wanted to manipulate and all that stuff. And then look what had. Look at this fat candle that happened. Bam. If you're going to 30-minute, oh, not that one. So this fat candle happened. If you're going to 30-minute, just beautiful. If you're going to 1 hour, look at that shenanigans. Market is just doing whatever it wants. But anyways, that pattern happened. I'm not on the chart. I'm not on the charts at 9 o'clock, so I would not have taken this trade. But it played out beautifully and smashed our TP. So all I needed was this entry signal. Actually, not this two. I would have liked the doji back. An entry signal down here, I would have taken this trade. But I'm glad I followed my rules and trade discipline. See, when I tell you the trading signal, like the entry signal, is the most important key. Because without that, I'm not taking the trade. Like the trade can have everything I want, but if it doesn't have that entry signal that I need, like right here, if it doesn't have an entry signal like this, I do not want to. And look, it's rejecting the EMA too. Like, look at that, beautiful. I don't really use the EMA, I just use it as a confluence, but I just read market structure. That's basically it. But yeah, like if I don't get that evening star pattern, I'm not taking this trade. I need that entry signal. That's what I need. So overall, good week. We're disciplined for most of it. I was careful with my trades. I didn't risk a lot. I risked 0.5 because we're in March, so I'm not looking to risk a lot. We were up, so I moved my stop loss to break even, and then price eventually came back and stopped it out. It's all good. I wasn't even mad that I didn't make a lot of money. I was just glad and happy that I followed my rules and I had a trade set up and follow my rules. I stay disciplined with that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and more content coming soon. So get ready. And God bless you. God keep you safe. Remember, the magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. So put that work in and keep going.